Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point in Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. Choptank River to Cambridge, Maryland, and the Little Choptank River. Eastern Bay, Patapsco River including Baltimore Harbor. Paxton River to Booms Island, Maryland. Tangier Sound and the inland waters surrounding Bloodsworth Island until 12:15 a.m. At 10:39 p.m., a shower capable of producing waterspouts was located over North Beach, moving north at 45 knots. Wind gusts in excess of 50 knots and waterspouts possible. Source: radar indicating. Impact: boaters could easily be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves. Suffer significant damage in high winds. Waterspouts can create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Choptank River, Kent Narrows Bridge, North Point State, West Winds. Choptank River, Kent Narrows Bridge, North Point State Line, Magazine River, Chester River to Eastern Bay, North Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Calvert Cliffs, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Fort Smallwood State Park, Pinehurst and St. Leonard Creek.